Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emojis not downloading on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page of apps you will go down until you find this application of Telegram here and you will click. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem like this here. So please don't forget to support us.